Today we're going to take a look at creating blind contour line drawings, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to move my eye at the same speed that I move my pencil as I'm looking at this object. Okay, and I'm going to draw the contour lines. I'm drawing a roller skate here. There are only two rules when creating a blind contour line drawing. First, if you want the line to be continuous, once you put your pencil down on the paper, you don't pick it up again. The second rule is that you can't look at your paper, so you need to be looking at your object 100% of the time. And like I said, I'm trying to move my pencil at the same speed that I'm moving my eyes across the contours of the object. Now the contours are the outlines of the object. Okay. Now doing this exercise will help you in a couple of ways. First, it'll increase your hand-eye coordination, and everyone knows that hand-eye coordination is important in drawing, because you are looking at objects and you're interpreting that information in your mind, and then you're controlling your hands to transfer that information. So hand-eye coordination is important. The second thing it's doing is it's forcing you to look at the object. You're having to really look at it because you can't look at your paper at all, which leads you actually to the first secret to drawing. Now there's three secrets to drawing in my opinion, and the first secret to drawing is that drawing is at least 50% observation. You have to look at an object in order to draw it accurately. You can't take a photograph of an object without pointing the camera at the object. It would seem absurd, right, to say that you could take a picture or a photograph of an object without pointing a camera at it. Yet so many artists try to draw things without looking at it. Okay, so blind contour line drawings will help you get in the right mood for drawing. It'll help you learn to observe. So this has been another video tutorial brought to you by thevirtualinstructor.com.